everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage.
Welcome to Slade on Slade. Today we're going to be doing Marvel Rivals Legends series, Moon Knight. Now, as you can tell, he's kind of already been out of the package because my kid's been going crazy for this figure. It is kind of a fun figure. So let's get him out of the box. Right off the bat, he's got really smooth articulation, zero complaints. He poses amazingly well, provided you got a good stand under his feet, but the cape throws his balance off. But look at this. And this is an uneven surface I have him on. Any second now. There we go. Look at that, huh? So he's got that. The windswept cape. I like how the back of the cowl goes right into, well, the hood goes right into that. So that's seamless. I'm not a big fan of this. My kids don't want anything to do with it whatsoever. Now you pop up his head, just like that. Peg it into the back. Put that right there, throw the original head back on. He only has one head. And then you just got kind of that. So maybe you want him coming down onto the guy, is like SummerSlam style. Just kind of, maybe he's jumping out of an airplane, who cares? But I'm not a big fan of it. Like I said, my kids want nothing to do with it. They're like, this cape only. Like I said, pegs right in the back, throw the head back on. Click, nice smooth click. Joints are buttery smooth. He's not white. He's more of a pearlescent white, and it changes from area to area when the light hits it just right. I got zero problems with this. I'm going to give this one a win. I like this. I like the face. Gives it more of a kind of a hockey mask look. Is that coming in right? Was that blurry? There you go. There we go. So this is just a quick and dirty review of that. He does come with a couple of weapons. Again, my kids didn't want nothing to do with it. Whatever these things do. And Nightwing's beat 'em up sticks. So this is, if you're a Moon Knight fan, you're definitely going to like this. If you're not, you're, it's a pass for you. But, you can pretty much just throw it to your kids, and it's just an extra fun figure for them to play with. So thank you for subscribing. We are at right now 486. Yeah, 86 people. I appreciate all the new channel people. I'm going to try to bounce around a little bit till I find my voice, my footing, so to speak, when it comes to the quick and dirty toy reviews, because I really hate the reaching over, because I feel like I'm getting some blur action right here, and I'm not really sure if it's just the background or what. It seems to be working now, but I appreciate it. Hopefully we're going to get to see a bunch of you over at Toy Unity, Legions Con, and the upcoming Titans Toy Expo. We're really looking forward to meeting a lot of people. We got a really great Slade on Slade sticker that we made appropriate size for dioramas. So you can stick it anywhere you want, but if you got like a little turtles, don't mind the mess, but you get a little building like that, it's gonna go great right up on the side of the wall. So again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for allowing me to earn your subscription. I know you got a lot of people you could watch. A lot of people have been doing it for a lot longer and a lot better, but hey, we all got to start somewhere. So I hope you have a great day or night, whenever time you hit this. Leave any kind of comment you want, good, bad, indifferent. Hitting the like button really does help. I mean, a lot of people just go right by the like button, but I'm telling you, little things like that really just help younger channels like myself. I say younger, but the channel's 19 years old. You can go way back and see the early stop motion video I did. And I had about a dozen toy reviews, but like I said, this is 19 years ago. I was getting into a new unit at the end of a deployment, and my female lieutenant thought it wasn't a good look that I had toy reviews, so I went against what I felt, and I threw a bunch of early toy reviews, a lot of stick Vos and Z-Vos figures and stuff like that. But I regret having it down, but either way, the channel's 19 years old, but we're growing because of you, and I do appreciate that. Again, have a great night. Have a great day.
Like, subscribe, don't be late. See you next time on Slade on Slade.